Today, I will show you how to swap faces in videos for free. Search for Akul. Akul is an amazing and very unique AI tool that you can swap faces in videos or images, create realistic AI avatars, generate text to images, and change image or video background. Today, I will try the Deepfake tools. Just click on the Tool tab from here and select Face Swap. First, you need to create an account. Click on the Login button from here. Now, create an account with your Google or email account. After creating the account, you will get 100 free credits every day. If you want to buy additional credits, then you can buy it from here. Alright, let's move forward to creating a deepfake video. First, you need to upload the target video. You can drag and drop the video clips here or click here to upload the video. I want to use this video. It will take few seconds to analyze the video. Once it is completed, you can see the preview from the left side. Now come to the right side. Here you can see this tool detected face in few angles. Your result might be different from mine, depending on how much motion your video has. Now upload the source image. You can use a sample image from here or choose from your files. After uploading your source images, select detection block and choose your images. Also, you can re-age the video. It takes effect globally and facial details will be adjusted simultaneously when there are multiple faces. And also, we can improve the quality more. To do this, click here. Also, we can improve the quality more. To do this, turn on the face enhancement checkbox. After all is done, click on high quality face swap button. AI has started its work. You can click on the result button to see the result. Now, if you want to download the swap video, click on download from here, and here is the result. Thank you for watching.